6 days na lang, Miss You na! Kaya naman todo na ang preparation sa magarbong state-of-the-art equipment na gagamitin sa Miss Universe pageant. Patindi na rin ang patindi ang pagsasanay ng mga kandidata. Nakatutok si Connie Sison.
Todo ensayo na ang 86 na kandidata para sa 65th Miss Universe pageant. 6 na araw bago ang kompetisyon at 2 araw naman bago ang preliminary sa Huwebes. Mahigpit at busy ang schedule ng mga kandidata mula nang dumating sila, ilang linggo na ang nakakaraan. Kaliwat kanan ng mga activities nila. Kaya sa likod ng fresh at nagagandahang mga kandidata, ang pagod na pinagdaraanan nila sa training.
If we're to be honest, I have girls who have already given up. We can see it when they walk that they've given up. And then I have some girls that thrive. They're like thoroughbreds. In the beginning, it's I love you, you love me, we love each other. And now it's like, and they're thriving and they're building like this.
Pahirapan ang interview sa mga kandidata kanina. Si Miss Hungary, swerteng naabutan namin.
I feel excited, you know, it's different than nervous because nerve can take the energy, but excited give you the energy.
This is not the time to give up. This is not the time. Don't give up. Okay?
Isang dekada na raw si Lou bilang runway coach. Sa maraming pagkakataon, kailangan istrikta siya.
The nerves are kind of crazy because we like to say in America, it just got real quick. Yeah, it just hit them that tomorrow is interview competition and then preliminary. They have some concerns, but it's because they hear the other girls and they get nervous that they're not doing the right thing.
Kasabay ng paghahanda ng mga kandidata ay ang preparasyon naman ng mga organizer ng magarbong stage para sa Miss Universe pageant sa MOA Arena sa darating na Lunes. Kanina inilibot si Miss Universe sponsor at dating Ilocos Governor Chavit Singson sa state-of-the-art equipment at production. Nagkakahalaga raw ng $3.25 million ang gagastusin para rito.
Talagang bilib ako. Lahat ng equipment dala nila, ang dami. Hindi basta-basta itong dinala nila.
So sulit yung $3.25 million.
Sulit.
The scenery is completely changeable because it's what we call content. It turns up on our screens and it always changes. So we will be able to take the audience to many different locations, and then also they'll see enlargements of the girls that, you know, and the names of where the girls are from.
This is where it all happens. So the signal will come from here and it'll be beamed around the world. So it's just in this little box that we built in the back. So it's great. It's all the greatest equipment in the world, very high tech. This phone here is the most important phone because this is the phone that gets the first call as to who the winner is.
May seating capacity na 8,000 ang arena. Sold out na ang tickets para sa preliminaries na gaganapin sa Huwebes. Sa preliminary competition, maglalaban-laban ang 86 na kandidata para sa swimsuit at evening gown.
Nakikita natin sa aking likuran ang mga uupuan naman ng mga hurado o judges para sa Miss Universe pageant. Nakikita natin, ito yung high-tech equipment na gagamitin nila sa kanilang pagboto. Meron daw 6 sa preliminaries at maaaring 6 o 7 naman sa mismong coronation night ang magiging hurado para sa Miss Universe pageant. Samantala, dito naman sa row na ito, mauupo ang mga very important people. Katulad na lamang kapag dumating si President Duterte, makakatabi niya ang Miss Universe sponsor na si dating Ilocos Governor Chavit Singson dito at gayon din si DOT Secretary Wanda. At dito naman sa second row, maaaring si Senator Manny Pacquiao daw ang uupo. Gayon din si dating Presidente Estrada at maraming iba pang mga VIPs. Sa ngayon, sold out na rin ang tickets para sa dress rehearsal show at Coronation Day. Ipalalabas naman sa GMA Network ang buong kompetisyon ng alas 8 ng umaga pagkatapos ng unang hirit. Connie Sison, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.